Firstly, we need you taking the initial step to getting you started on an oil painting. Once you've made a start, you can then learn how to improve. This is a crucial stage of the learning process. In fact, we only learn when we get it wrong. We don't learn anything if we already know how it's done. Please give yourself some time to learn. Let go of the idea that you're creating a precious painting. You're not. This is only an exercise in learning how to create a painting. Let the precious feeling of perfection go along with the fear of being seen to not do well. Let's just relax and enjoy the feeling of learning how to paint. So I guess what I'm saying is, as your tutor, I want you to mess up and not worry about it, because you will learn far more and quicker if you do so. Focus on looking so you can see the truth of what is there. If you can see it, you can paint it.